If you have been following the news lately, then you must have come across several reports about property tax in Mumbai. The BMC data reveals that the municipal corporation has managed to collect over rupees 5600 crore property tax in the last financial year ending March 31st, 2023. But have you paid your property tax yet? Hello and welcome, I am Pallavi Sharma and you are watching Money Wise with ET Now. Today in this video, we tell you everything about property tax. So if you own a house in Mumbai, then this video is for you. Let us first understand what is property tax. Just like the income tax on your income, there is property tax on your immovable assets. Property tax is paid by the occupier of the land, a building, a flat, or any kind of property to the municipal corporation or the local government of the occupier's area. This tax is charged on tangible real estate assets. Now, every state has its own laws governing property tax. Let's talk about Mumbai today. Here, the tax is paid as per the provisions of the MMC or the Mumbai Municipal Corporation Act of 1888 to the BMC. As per the Act, the property is levied on buildings and land in Mumbai. This includes various taxes and charges like water tax, water benefit tax, sewage tax, general tax, street tax, and much more. Unlike other municipal corporations, the BMC calculates the property tax with a capital value system. The capital value of the property is the market value, which is based on the total carpet area, the use factor, age factor, floor factor, and the occupancy factor. Property tax can be calculated online by logging in details on this website. Now, who should pay these taxes and how can you pay them? Well, as per the MMC Act, the tax is payable in advance in 6 months installments, which means that the 1st of April and the 1st of October. In few other states, it's mandatory to pay this tax annually to the municipalities. As far as Mumbai is concerned, the MMC Act says that the responsibility to pay the property tax is of the lesser if the property is let out. If it is a sublet, then it is of the superior lesser. And if the property is unlet, then the person who has the right to let the property out or is the owner of the property has to pay this tax. But what if the property owner is not known? Well, then the person who has occupied the property will have to pay the tax. Now, you may wonder that sometimes your rental agreement says 11 months ending every time you rent a house or a land. It is because if the property is let out to anyone for more than 1 year, then the tenant will have to pay the property tax. In case of a society, the tax is issued in the name of the society and the members make the payment for the building and the land. In case that it is a redevelopment of a building, then the developer or the person holding the right to sell the property has to pay the property tax. Now, how to pay the property tax? To pay the property tax, you can either go to the BMC Help Center or the Office of the Assistant Revenue Officer or at the Citizen Facilitation Center at all ward offices. If you want to pay your taxes online, then you can do it on the MCGM portal. Now, can you get into trouble if you don't pay your property tax? The answer is yes. If you are an owner and you fail to pay the tax, the amount will be recovered under a warrant issued by the commissioner by either the sale of goods found on the premises or the sale of property unless the amount is paid within 21 days. 2, by the attachment of sale of immovable property of the defaulter. Not only this, if you haven't paid the property tax bills, you cannot transfer or sell your property to anyone else. Upon attachment, the property can only be transferred with the BMC's permission. If the permission is not granted, any such transaction will be void. In case you have rented a property and the owner fails to clear the tax bill, you will also be liable to pay the amount. If you fail to do so, the amount will be recovered using assets from the property. In short, on default of payments, the authorities can take legal action against you. If you sell anything from the property while the warrant has already been issued, you might get another legal notice. A suit will also be filed for recovery of dues. So if you own a property, pay the property tax on time, and stay tuned to ET Now's YouTube channel for more updates on personal finance.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.